favorite part at this video, unboxing things. So, I'm going to be unboxing this package. Let's open it up. I've got the cutter. Okay, I am gonna get it. I've got the knife. It's not that knife, but I'm gonna open up this package. Let's start. Okay, so I opened it, and as you can see, there's something here. Yeah. Gotta open it up, and then we've got a speaker. I think that's all in the bag. Let's open up the speaker. I've got a speaker. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I am unwrapping this. It's really hard. Whoa. We've got it. Tape. There's tape. So we've got bubble wrap. Really noisy. So I've opened the box. And let's see. Wow, look at it. I think this is a speaker. I'm not sure. It's a speaker. Okay, so it's inside this bag. This little bag. So cute. Because it's small. Buttons. Oh, I pressed it. Hello? I'm not sure. I just pressed open, I guess. I just pressed it and then there's like a blue light. I'm gonna press the start. See what happens. There's nothing. I just pressed the on button and there's nothing. There's nothing. What does it do? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to try to connect it. So here is the phone. And I'm just going to do this. It's right there. And then it says here OONTZ in Angel 3. So yeah, I'm going to press it. Okay. And then okay, so I figured it out. Go to YouTube or anything. So I have YouTube and let's see if it works. I'm going to be opening my YouTube channel. See if my YouTube channel works. See if my YouTube channel works. So here's my YouTube channel. Let's check it out. doesn't work at all. Let's see. Okay, so let's see it again. It's working! It's working! It worked! Yay, it worked! It worked! It's really cool that it worked. It's almost like you can bring it anywhere. Maybe I can bring it anywhere. What if it breaks? Let's try other music. Music. I'll just have a copy. It's really cool. It's kind of cute because it's small. And yeah, I think you can bring it anywhere. Let's just see. Okay, so the first one was finished. Now, the second one. We're going to be opening this one. This is also a speaker, but this time, this is for my grandma. Oh, are you opening it? So I'm just gonna open it up really like this, and then like this. Oh, and this is how it looks like. Let's open it up. It's a lot of bubble wraps. This is the speaker. Opening this is really hard. Okay, so this is my favorite part. I'm going to just slice it up. What? My favorite part is to slice this. My favorite part is to slice up the bubble wraps and pop them. Yeah, my favorite part is. My favorite part about unboxing is these bubble wraps. So let's open it and check it out. How does it look like? Oh, and here's the one you hear this. Oh, it's a speaker bag. I'm not sure, but check it out. Oh, it's gonna fall. Wow, you could get these kinds of speakers. Seriously. Anyways, it's just it. Let's see what kind of speaker do we got. What color and what style. Ooh. Here it is, our speaker. The speaker for my grandma. Oh, it looks so cool. So right here. Okay, so right here there are buttons inside. I think there's another button. I'm not sure. Just so we've got buttons. There are some right over there. There are handles. This. Ooh, check this out. We've got the handles. This is like half speaker and half bag. Let's just put it on. Here it is. There are handles right over there. And as you can see, there's also a handle. There's also a handle over there. Wow. I really like this. Wow. Check it out! It's like a bag. You could take it anywhere. I really like it. Cry. Now let's see how this works. There are wires. I think this is for the phone. Ugh. What kind of stick is this? I'm not sure, but where's the phone? Anyways, I'm going to just untie this speaker. Yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Okay, guys, so I got the phone. So much. We're going to see if this works. How does it work? How do you get it on? Just try it out for a while. There isn't anything. Oh, it's sticky. Okay, maybe. Oh, sit here. It's this. Come on.
Bluetooth mode. And that summer feeling. So breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I.
Okay, so I'm just gonna try it on my YouTube channel. So cool. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Oh, so please like and share this video. Bye.